RapidPipeline can help you decimate complex woven structures like this wicker sofa using a process called remeshing. This complex sofa model has 1 million triangles, and 80% of that is from this woven wicker mesh. There's no way a standard decimation pass would give you anything useful. It's just too much complexity for regular optimization. This is where RapidPipeline shines. The add-on in Blender has actions for common tasks. Remesh and bake holes is what we want here. Look over the options and press Run. RapidPipeline works on the selected meshes, creating a new shrink-wrapped surface and bakes all the results from the original wicker. Let's turn on the wireframe to see the result. The remesher has captured all the details from the original, with all the physically based rendering textures: color, alpha, roughness, normal, occlusion. The process results in a wicker mesh with 10,000 triangles, even though the face target was set to 50,000 triangles. This is because 50K is an upper limit. RapidPipeline is actually remeshing at resolution 6, which covers over those wicker gaps, and then uses alpha masking to capture all those holes. RapidPipeline provides a set of quick and easy tools that makes optimizing 3D assets a breeze. Try it for free, or chat with our human team right on the website.